Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Install it. And now open. Tap plus in the right corner. Select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text to speech. I don't know why it's not working, but let's go further to text to speech.
Disconnected.
As you can see, it works. Now name your function, give it description, and tap this button to save. And now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.